Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to use your Sony ZV-E10 camera as a webcam. So guys, usually we need a video capture card to use your camera as a webcam on PC, but since the Sony ZV-E10 camera is just made for the creators, so it has a special feature which is called USB streaming. And using this feature guys, you just need to plug in your Sony ZV-E10 camera via USB cable to your PC, and you can start streaming your webcam on internet or on YouTube. So it's a great feature guys, and I'll be telling you how to connect your Sony ZV-E10 camera as a webcam on PC. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all guys, you need to do some settings. So in the camera you have to, and now you have to just press the menu button, and in the menu button you have to go to in video setting. Can you see the video setting? So in video setting you have to be on the first page, the third one. As you can see the USB streaming, just choose the USB streaming and you will see that connect a USB cable, and you can do here in the Type-C port you have to connect the Type-C 1, Type-C end, and now the USB end has to be connected to the PC guys. So you will see that here the USB streaming standby. Now to set up with the OBS studio, you have to, let's go to the PC now guys. Once you open the OBS studio on your PC, now if you want to use Sony ZV-E10 camera as a webcam, you have to click on this add sources, and now you have to click on this video capture device and click on OK to add. And now you have to choose devices from here. So by default it will be chosen by itself, so you just need to keep it ZV-E10 and click on OK. So that's the quality guys we're getting Sony ZV-E10 camera as a webcam. It is guys actually the 720 quality. So if you see the actual quality, you can judge it, and it's quite better guys when you are doing streaming, and it's not that bad. But if you want 4K or 1080 quality, then you need HDMI video capture. But if you want to just start, then you can go for it. It's a better quality, and the more you close to the camera, you will see more blurriness in the background. So right now I am using kit lens, so I'm getting this amount of blur guys using just a kit lens. But imagine if I use primary lens, then just imagine how much blur I would get. So yeah, that's it guys. Hope you like it. That's how you can use your Sony ZV-E10 camera as a webcam, and now you can start the streaming as well. So if I keep this guys as like if I'm doing game streaming, then you can see that how quality is. You can, if you keep the webcam as a small size on your screen, you will see better quality. And if you want to keep it as full frame, if you want to keep your webcam as a full frame, you will the quality will be reduced. So yeah, if you want to do a game streaming or any streaming where you keep your webcam as a small size, then it's a better to use Sony ZV-E10 camera as a webcam directly without HDMI capture card. But if you want to go for, you can use Elgato video capture, or you can buy a cheapest one. So I'll give you the link, you can go through it. So yeah, hope you like it guys. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye.